Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix escape from Tarkov, stuck on loading profile data, server, cache, and file fix guide. Fix 1. Check escape from Tarkov server status. Visit the official server status page or battle state, games, social media channels. Then check for ongoing maintenance or server outages. If the servers are down, wait until they are restored and try again. Fix 2. Restart the game and launcher. Close Escape from Tarkov completely and exit the Battle State Games launcher. Now restart your PC and launch the launcher as administrator and try loading the game again. Fix 3. Clear the game cache. Open the Battle State Games launcher and click your profile icon present in the top right corner. From there, select Clear Cache, then restart the launcher and launch the game. Fix 4. Verify game files. Open the Battle State Games launcher and click the drop-down menu near the game version. From there, select Integrity Check. Now wait for the scan to complete and repair any damaged files. Fix 5. Log out and back into your account. Open the launcher and sign out of your Battlestate Games account. Now close the launcher completely and sign in again and launch the game. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.